Hey everyone, Sam from 3D here. In this beautiful short video I will show you how you can easily get such a 3D model from AI and then you can animate it for yourself. It's pretty cool because you can animate it for your game or you can 3D print it, like it will work nicely for 3D printing. And also it will work nicely for the prototype, so you don't have to use boxes, or you can easily just create 3, 5, 7 types of models and try to tell the stories like with them, and it will work nicely for the prototypes. So let's get started. So for the first thing I jumped to ChatGPT, just to help me with the idea of my future 3D character and also to help me generate an image. So I started like, okay, I have some idea for a sci-fi cartoon mobile game, and it started like, okay, what to look for and blah 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 stuff, but it's useful also, but I didn't know that. So then I just tried to narrow it down to the thing that it will help me to brainstorm the idea. Then okay, I have this is my idea, and like please tell me what I might missing. Then like it tell me something, and I was interested like, okay, what kind of assets I need, like enemies, vehicles, environment, prompts, and so on. And I stuck to like, okay, let's create a character like main hero. I wanted to create like to help me like how it should look like, so it gets the idea and how to generate it, and then it creates this. Look at this. It's creating me like this is what ChatGPT gave me. So like it's a bit silly. But the thing is that I tried to ask like to generate the image. I got something a little bit complex for mobile games, so I was narrowing down to something simpler. This one might work also nicely. But I wanted to something colorful like this. I was getting there, and in the end I chose this 3D character. Then I took like just only this part, I cropped it because it was enough for me. I jumped to our 3D tool like 3D Nova, where I generate 3D models from single image. It's extremely cool and it works nicely. This is how you can generate a 3D character from single prompt or image. In my case, I wanted to have the image because I wanted to, but it works nicely for just the prompting. This was from simple prompt, like check it out. Here, like I wrote just simple prompt and I got this character which can be easily used in a game, right? Or this little cutie, it can be also used nicely in a game. Or this 3D character of diamonds, or like the bank. So yeah, everything was generated in minute, and I just go download the GLB file. I imported GLB file of my 3D character here, which looked like this. Pretty fun. And then I save it to FBX file because Mixamo wants FBX. Then I jump to Mixamo and upload the FBX file. By the way, Mixamo is for free, so don't worry, you can use it, all the animation from Mixamo. Then I had my 3D character. Don't worry if it's just the white without the texture, we will fix it later. Then I chose like the chin, wrists, elbows, knees. If it's not symmetrical in case, you can unselect this and then the last part. Then I clicked next. It's rigging my 3D character. Okay, now it works nicely. Then I chose which one I like. You can have like walking character, but I chose idle. As you can see, you have a lot of 3D animation which are prepared, and they will work nicely for your 3D character. And in a couple of minutes you can have sets of 3D animations. I chose idle, and I just downloaded it in FBX to my Blender. Once I had it, I prepared a little background. Let's just go here. And what I did was that I reused the texture which I had from previous one, because the one from Mixamo, it didn't work, it was white, but I just reused this material. Okay, then I had like 3D model which you can it's animated pretty nicely. It works flawlessly, to be honest. In 5 minutes just to have the 3D model, it's pretty cool. Then you can just hint and go and render the animation, and this is the final animation. If you want to learn more about like 3D Nova AI 3D models generator, definitely go to 3d.design/AI 3D generator, because we created a lot of props, also like animals, cars, diamonds, like barrels, and so on, like rockets. It's pretty simple. You can use image or prompt and you can generate, you will get the file in GLB format. In the future we will have more formats, better mesh, maybe retexturing and so on. But definitely if you are missing something, or if you want to use it in your real life scenario, definitely reach out to me at samuel@3d.design and we can discuss how it might work for you. So yeah, that was it, and have fun and have a 3D day.